Hello everyone and welcome to our English class. Are you ready to learn some English today? Great! This lesson is perfect for beginners. We're going to learn some very useful sentences that you can use every day. Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. I will speak slowly, and you can listen and repeat after me. The most important thing is to practice speaking, so let's get started together. First, let's learn how to greet people. This is very important. The most common greeting is hello. Let's try it. Repeat after me. Hello, hello, good job. You can also say hi. It's a bit more casual. Repeat after me. Hi, hi, excellent. In the morning, you can say good morning. Let's practice good morning, good morning. In the afternoon, we say good afternoon. Repeat after me. Good afternoon, good afternoon. And in the evening, you can say good evening. Let's say it together. Good evening, fantastic. When you are leaving or going to bed, you say good night. Repeat after me. Good night, very good. Now, let's learn how to ask how are you. This is a very friendly question. Repeat after me. How are you? How are you? You can answer in a few ways. A common answer is I'm fine, thank you. Let's try that. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. You can also ask them back by saying and you. Let's practice and you, and you. So, the full conversation would be, hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you, and you. I'm fine too. Let's practice that last part. I'm fine too. I'm fine too. Great job. Next, let's learn how to introduce yourself. You can say my name is and then your name. For example, my name is Alex. Let's practice. Repeat after me, using your own name. My name is ... My name is ... Wonderful. You can also ask someone for their name. You can say, what's your name? Let's try it. What's your name? What's your name? So, if someone asks you what's your name, you can reply my name is. After you meet someone, it's polite to say nice to meet you. Let's practice this important phrase, nice to meet you, nice to meet you. The other person can reply nice to meet you too. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Let's put it all together. Hello, what's your name? My name is Maria. Nice to meet you. Maria, nice to meet you too. You are doing so well. Now let's move on to some other useful phrases. When you want something, you should always say please. For example, a coffee, please. Let's practice that. A coffee, please. A coffee, please. Or water, please. Repeat after me. Water, please. Water, please. Using please is very polite. And when someone gives you something or helps you, you should always say thank you. This is very important. Let's practice. Thank you, thank you. If you want to be more enthusiastic, you can say thank you very much. Repeat after me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. When someone says thank you to you, you can reply you're welcome. Let's try that. You're welcome, excellent. What if you need to apologize? You can say I'm sorry. Let's practice. I'm sorry. If you accidentally bump into someone, you can say excuse me. Excuse me is also used to get someone's attention. Let's practice. Excuse me, excuse me. So, if you need to ask for directions, you can start by saying excuse me. Let's learn how to ask for help. You can say, can you help me, please? Repeat after me. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? This is a very useful sentence. Most people will be happy to help you. Now, let's talk about understanding. If you don't understand what someone said, you can say, I don't understand. Let's practice that. I don't understand. I don't understand. That's a very important phrase. Don't be afraid to use it. You can also ask them to speak more slowly. You can say, can you speak slowly, please? Repeat after me. Can you speak slowly, please? Can you speak slowly, please? Great. Now, let's learn some simple questions. If you want to know where something is, you can ask where is. For example, where is the bathroom? Let's practice. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Or where is the station? Repeat after me. Where is the station? Where is the station? Very useful. If you want to know the price of something, you can ask, how much is this? Let's try it. How much is this? How much is this? This is very useful when you are shopping. Let's learn how to say yes and no. It's simple, yes, yes, and no, no, easy, right? Let's practice. Do you speak English? You can answer, yes, a little. Let's practice that phrase. Yes, a little, yes, a little. It's a great answer for beginners. When you are leaving, you can say goodbye. Let's practice. Goodbye, goodbye. A more informal way to say it is bye. Repeat after me. Bye, bye. You can also say see you later. Let's try that. See you later, see you later. Or see you soon. Repeat after me. See you soon, see you soon. All of these are great ways to end a conversation. Okay, now let's do a little practice conversation. I will say one part, and you say the other. I'll leave a pause for you to speak. Ready? Let's start me. Hello, me. What's your name? You. My name is me. Nice to meet you. You. Nice to meet you too, me. How are you? You. I'm fine. Thank you. And you, me? I'm fine too. Thank you, me. Where are you from? You. I'm from .me. Oh, that's interesting. You. Thank you, me. Well, I have to go now. See you later, you. Goodbye. Wow, that was fantastic. You just had a conversation in English. Keep practicing these sentences every day. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Remember, making mistakes is a normal part of learning. The important thing is to keep trying. Let's review the key phrases one more time. I will say them, and you can repeat after me. Hello, good morning, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is nice to meet you. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I don't understand. Goodbye. You have learned so much today. I am very proud of you. Keep up the great work. Remember to watch this video again and practice repeating the sentences. Repetition is the key to success. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English lessons for beginners. We have new videos every week. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.